Hi, hello, good morning, hi, it's April Braswell, good morning, and I'm a holistic living coach and hypnotherapist here in Orange County. It's another gorgeous and sunny day here in California, so I wanted to be sure to jump on a quick live and say hi and share all that beautiful, isn't it beautiful? It's gorgeous sky where it's bright, sunny, and clear, so it's not to gloat for friends of mine who are still, hi, good morning. It's not to gloat for friends of mine who are still dealing with snow or rain today. I think we're like super happy about having sunlight and sunshine, especially after we had some rain the other week and quite a lot of it. It was very nice having that much rain. Good morning. Hi, Sylvia. Thank you. That's it. So good morning and welcome. And thank you. Please chime in the comments and let us know where you're connecting from and how we can support you. I want to do a quick hello and good morning. It's one of the things during this COVID time, during the quarantine, is a lot of us, it's weird because there's both isolation, and I think a lot of us had that like really early on, and then also it's funny because I'm hearing some people are, I sort of want to see like the New Yorker cartoon where, remember the ones where they're always doing the very modern couples? I want to see a a cartoon from the New Yorker of the modern couple of where each, his and her Zoom meetings where they're both on a Zoom meeting but different meetings, and that's our life right now sometimes too. However, it's still really important to connect, and I wanted to do that. It's why I like to do the lives here on my page, is to say hello and to connect and give a shout out. Hi, Sylvia, and thank you, and good morning, welcome. Please chime in the comments and let me know how you're doing. I wanted to, in particular, to do a little education today about the essential oils. There is a special today where lemon is one of the features in the BOGO. It's actually, I don't even know how to do an acronym for it. It's buy one, get two free. So when you buy, I think it's when you buy spearmint, the lemon free. However, this is also to do education on using the doTERRA lemon oil because a lot of people have it. It comes in the top 10 oil kits. It comes in almost every single kit that doTERRA has, including like the little intro kit, which is often a place that people get started. That's a little more budget friendly for some households. I have a lot of families where like the husband wanted to get a pretty present for his wife, and so he got a little intro kit because it was a pretty box. So a lot of us here, hi, welcome. In Orange County, it's so funny, we have a lot of citrus. So, and I was one of those people where we have access to citrus trees and to lemon trees, and where I have fresh lemons. And I was thinking, lemon, why would I use the oil? Why would I do that, over having the fresh lemon? So I love having fresh lemon, and it's awesome in the juicer when I'm doing it with other like fruits and vegetables and things like that. And it's kind of awesome in like a cute little sauce. I've heard of people using it in desserts or like with chicken. However, if you do it straight in your water, it does stuff to your teeth. It does stuff to the enamel of your teeth. I wasn't even thinking about that. And it is something where you can easily Google that. Hi, good morning. Give it a thumbs up and chime in the comments and let me know you're connecting from. I apologize, I cannot always see it right away when people comment. The new Facebook Live interface has changed a little bit that way, and so sometimes there's a little bit of a delay, so I apologize if I don't see that right away. I do go back later and reply to the comments. So I actually have a new client, new customer. She's a client of mine as a coach, and she's a new client of mine with doTERRA, and she was asking me, she wasn't, really quite understanding, why, why would I want to use the lemon? What's the benefit? So the number one way to use the lemon, and I'm bringing out my little juice glass because this really is about the size glass that I like to do it in, is to put about like 1 to 3 drops of lemon in a little glass of water. Remember, we used to have little juice glasses? A little juice glass, about 1 to 3 drops. It's amazing because it really is one of these things where, and I want to see if I can pull it out. There we go. I'm doing the sports bra so I get my vitamin D at the same time here, so feel free to do that where you are too if you've got sunshine. So the doTERRA lemon, what's so cool with it it's one of these sort of, it's like lavender, of where it's like deceptively simple, and everyone thinks like, oh, it's no big deal. Lemon is a little powerhouse. I love lemon because it's also one of the most readily affordable oils, where people, doTERRA sets the standard for purity and potency. You might have heard the expression CPTG, and you're like, what on earth is that, and who cares? So it's certified pure therapeutic grade. So it's super, super pure and potent. So 1 drop is all you need for the potency. I've seen some people where, when I'm handed to them to try, they're used to like a cheap lavender from, a department store or something like that, or online from Amazon or eBay. And I love eBay and I love Amazon for other things, but that is not the place to get your oils, and it's not the place even to buy doTERRA, because people have tampered with them. You're getting filler and synthetics, so be careful. So one of the things that's so cool with our lemon is that level of potency. It's amazing for clearing. It's supposed to be incredibly, I'm trying to use compliant terminology, so I may be a little vague. It's super, thank you. It's super for our whole digestive tract. And those of you who follow me and know me, I also put ginger in here, and it's where, because I'm taking On Guard internally pretty much every day, and when I do, you also put it on the back of our necks, roll it there. When I do my lemon, I'm now adding a little bit of ginger. I've got like the ginger oil, as well as, and it's super, boom, just like taking ginger shots without having to go to the juicer. And hello, good morning. And I'll do the On Guard, just like 1 or 2 drops too. Super, super strong. The clove especially is a very strong flavor. So lemon is awesome. I have to put the glass down. Lemon is awesome for our gut, for cleaning and detoxing our digestive system. So I mentioned the detoxing is kind of twofold. I'm sober now 2 years, and I did actually have cirrhosis of the liver. I had liver damage, so I'm probably particularly cognizant of the stuff around our liver. And it's not that you have to have been abusing alcohol with American culture to have, I don't want to like overuse a word because I want to be compliant, but I'll use something like polluted or a little bit that way, gunked up. I like using that vague term, gunked up liver, because eating a lot of protein stresses our liver. So we actually want to do some little detoxing, cleansing things that way. And lemon is a super affordable way to do that. And it comes in, I think, every single kit in doTERRA, all the starter kits. And it also is amazing secondarily then for our liver and cleansing it. It does, what's the word I want to use? In terms of cleaning the toxins, most of us have had some kind of contact with plastics over the years. We've drank from a plastic cup. I'm in square dancing. We're using plastic cups all the time at dances. So plastic cups, if you've ever used those, a plastic drinking bottle, we need to. Sometimes it's the only thing you have, and God bless, it's okay if you need to that way. It's not, it can't be perfect. I've also had a lot of the plastic food containers, both things from the restaurants. I love getting the stuff to go, hi, and I'm appreciative of getting it that way. I've also had, we're not supposed to name, I think I can because I'm not replacing it. I've had Tupperware and Rubbermaid products where they're not Pyrex, and so we store and currently still do use them. Or if you've had yogurt, or hello, good morning, thank you for chiming in the comments. Let me know where you're connecting from. The lemon is one of the simplest ways. All the oils have this effect where they are pulling the toxins and the plastic toxins from our system, which is one of the reasons why I showed you that little glass. When we take our oils, the ones you can take internally, and this is one, it says it here in the directions underneath, it'll mention you can take it internally. One of the shorthand ways to know I can take it internally from doTERRA is there is a supplemental food label there on the side. So when I'm taking an oil, putting it in my water, putting it in my food, and I'm going to be taking it internally, when I put it in any kind of a container where I'm going to be drinking it, It must be glass. It must be stainless steel. There is a grade of plastic that is okay. I don't know the term for it. If you want to know that really specifically, if yours is okay, go to the doTERRA website, or just go out to Google and Google it, and it will pop the information at the doTERRA website about what kind of plastic is okay. But I prefer to just say it's simpler, that I think of it as I'm only going to drink water with the essential oils, the doTERRA oils, in them, in a glass or in stainless steel, because it pulls the toxins from the plastic. So if I'm putting this in a plastic cup and I'm thinking, oh hey, I'm getting all the benefit, unfortunately what it's doing is it's pulling the toxins from the plastic into my water, and then we're drinking that. So you do want to be careful. So lemon is just an awesome oil to always have around. It's lavender is super too, and so I just think of those as two of the sort of underrated, less understood super powerhouses, because they're both, it's super affordable. And I like to joke about whoever did like the cheap potpourris or the air fresheners or all of those things where it was you know, synthetic. It was the perfumes. So the lavender is amazing. If you've ever smelled it, our lavender is absolutely astounding. It is from France, so it's the best place to get lavender. And our lemon is, I think it's from Brazil, and I think it's, I want to say Italy. I'm trying to remember the product guide, the map where it's sourced from. There's a whole thing about our co-sourcing. It's just know that lemon is awesome, and if you have the doTERRA lemon, you want to take a little bit every day. It is doing amazing things for your system. I'm going to pop a thing, it's a little sort of information page, graphic here over at my page a little bit later today about lemons, so you know that. And if you don't have an account yet and you want to get started with doTERRA, you don't have someone you're already working with, feel free to put that in the comments that you're interested, and I'll reach out to you later by private messenger, and we can chat a little bit and see how to get you started. If you have it, be sure to use it. Have a great day. Thank you so much for connecting, and be sure to comment down below, give it a thumbs up and give it a like, and have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed day. Let me know how the weather is where you are. I know there are folks where they've got gray and overcast, or they have snow, or there's rain and all of that, and all the weather is perfect. It's just this beautiful day here in Southern California, so I wanted to be sure to share it with you. Thank you so much. Go forth, shine your essence. Bye-bye.